Friday night, it sure feels good when the work week's over, and we got a very complicated setup for the storm next week. And as always, I want to try to keep this short, so let's dive right into it. I want to explain to you guys what's going on. Let's keep it easy and start off with the weekend. Okay, we're at the weekend now. Beautiful warm day tomorrow. We have a nice southwesterly flow bringing in all warm air. Up in Vermont, Jay Peak, some areas will see a little bit of snow tonight, which is nice because it's an ice fest up there right now. We have this little system coming through Sunday night. Now, models are spread, but some models like the NAM want to give northern areas some snow from this. So we'll have to keep a track on that. But once that pulls out, all eyes are going to go towards what is going to happen middle of next week. There is so much going on, guys. The best way I could break this down, I'm just going to use one model because they're all over the place, and show you guys something here. So this is the GFS model. This is upper air energy. This is at 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. It shows spin. It's called vorticity. So you see all these different areas in the jet stream. They're called little short waves that are spinning, and it's energy moving around, okay? Now, how this energy comes together depends on where you get storms. Now, in simple form, I showed you over the last couple of weeks when I was on the blog of, this ridge axis is important. If this ridge axis goes too far to the west, which is where it's been trending, you get storms that tend to want to consolidate inland, so that is a very big risk here, and that's why my bias has been warmer with this storm the last couple of days. But what do I know? Because look at all of this energy that we're going to be dealing with for this storm. And let me just show you something here real quick. So give me a second here, because I have to show this. It's unbelievable. So right here is the latest run of the GFS. Notice you have 1, 2, 3, 4, all these disturbances trying to come together. Look at the variety run to run. So this is this afternoon's run. This is the earlier run. This is the run from actually real early this morning. This is the run from last night. This is the run from before. So watch the variation in all these pieces. I'll do it one more time. This is starting yesterday till today. It's jumping all over the place because the model's trying to handle what does it want to be the most dominant. So for example, this little front piece of energy is trying to show a storm developing on most models early in the week, or around Tuesday, Wednesday next week. This could be a snow event. Now, if this is strong enough, what ends up happening is it lays down a path of cold air a little bit for another storm behind it. And actually, the European shows this the best. You can see here at 12Z GFS. This comes through, gives northern areas in New Jersey some snow, pulls in cold air, the baroclinic boundaries there. You now have a storm right behind it that tries to develop and tries to come close to the coast, right? So we don't know what's going to happen. The UK Met model has one big storm cutting inland, which is a full rain fest for everybody. We have to wait and see. But when you have all this energy on the field, guys, you know there's going to be changes. Take a look at where it's stemming from. Look at all the subtropical moisture coming in off tropical Pacific here. All this energy shoots in. It combines with northern energy coming in from the Pacific Northwest, and you have all kinds of mischief. What are my thoughts? It's so hard, guys. If I really had to put a nail on it right now, and I had to try to make some sort of a prediction, and again, I hesitate because I want to wait another day or two, what I have to say is, if I was to draw this out for you, is the best chance for accumulating snow, I would say, would be like in here, up into here. Okay, and obviously coming down here too, with the sweetest spot being up here in New England. I have to say that right now. I think big cities, you're in the game, but I don't like your chances. Even down here, south and east of 95, I don't like your chances for snow. Northwest New Jersey, it's going to come down to the wire. So right now, you see this great diagram I just drew, but interior New England, I still think have the best shot. Outside of that to the southeast, again, this is going to be the real big volatile zone. If I had to put a first guess, I'd say, up North Jersey, up into New England, and then down here into the mountains of Maryland, as we have a primary low and then a secondary low. So we'll see, guys. A lot to track. I'll be updating all weekend. Thanks for checking in.